Shenseea explained why she thought 2019 was her worst year. Also, her son Rajiro is now an ambassador for Chubby soft drinks.
I said 2019 was my worst year, but God said I
Not yet, we're not done.
Hold that. He definitely made an impact for 2020 on me.
So full details on these stories coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing good today. Now, people, before we start, may I beg on a small favor, right? So there's this awesome baker pastry chef on Instagram. Her name is Taste Delight, or her page name is Taste Delight, right? And she entered a competition. And people should deserve to win, because all of them cake when I look on right now, as she bake it, me telling her stuff up, people. So what I want to do, I want to vote for her, right? So I'm going to put the link in the first comment on all of the platform. On Instagram, it's going to be in the description, right? If on Facebook, in the comment, and on YouTube, in the comment. I'm just beg enough for us run over there and just click and vote for her real quick. All right, so let's get on to today's story, right? So Rajiro is now the new ambassador for Chubby soft drink. I don't know if him alone or they have multiple ambassadors, but I know he is one, and I know it happened today. So Shenseea post this little clip here.
My baby got signed to Chubby. Congrats, Raj.
And on Raj page now, in post and say, so happy to be an ambassador for at Chubby soft drinks. Let's go. So we don't know exactly what the deal contains or how long it is. We don't know the stipulations, right? But it's a good look overall. You know Ramesh, Team Ramesh, at them say deal, you know what I mean? At them say endorsement. All of the artists, them and the people them will associate with Team Ramesh, them have some kind of endorsement from somewhere. So big up everybody on that side. So the next thing I want to talk about, people, is the BT Hip Hop Award. It's going to be tonight, October 27th, and some of our artists are going to be performing there, including Shenseea, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Coffee, and I see DJ Liquid also. I'm not sure who else, but you know what I mean, just turn your TV on BT if you want to take that in, or you can go to bt.com, or you know what I mean, they might go live on them Instagram or Facebook, so you can check that out. All right, but we have a little clip from Bounty Killer where we are going to play real quick, and then we get back to business. All right, here goes.
Hey yo, yellow, BET fam, you know it's Bounty Killer, and I'm reminding you not to miss the 2020 Hip Hop Awards. Hey yo, Tuesday the 27th of October. Hey yo, 9 p.m., 8 Central Time. Hey yo, not because outside closed, but we still old man, turn up.
Yeah, people, so no hear general stuff forward, so no forward, you know what I mean? Tune in pan on the television or on the social media. However, on the forward, just forward. All right. So the next thing we want for sure to know, Shenseea had an interview this morning with DJ Foreign, and you know, me see him interview Popcorn before, and I don't know who else, but he's a very prominent DJ, and it seems like, you know, him have access to these, to get interview with these artists. And you know, I mean, this morning she was on it, and him had asked her like how she feel and when last she perform and so forth, right? So I'm going to play the clip for now and make you hear what Shenseea say about how long ago she performed, how she feel getting back on stage, and also talk about her gift them. So the last couple of days, you know what I mean, I basically Shenseea me make video about. So if you not follow the channel, you not going to be able to follow what she talk about, right? So here goes.
Man, now let me ask you this. So that was your first show in how long?
Repeat?
How long was that? What was the last time you did a show, like a stage show? Like
March.
Damn. How did it feel to be back on stage?
I feel amazing. Listen, with everything that's been going on, I feel like me touching back the stage, I was like hungry to perform. You know, just to even be surrounded by my next family, which are my Shenyang. So
Shenyang.
was crazy. The vibes was heartfelt, and I got so many roses.
Oh, I saw you got gifts upon gifts.
Yeah.
People giving you eyelashes, nails.
Oh, I got one on too. This one is called Dancehall.
Okay.
My Shenyang named it. So shout out to my Shenyang.
Yeah, I seen you opening gift after gift. They giving you hair press kits.
Yeah, it was a surprise.
But then again, it also was your birthday. I mean, this is your birthday month. Your birthday
My
was what, on
birth
the
month.
first?
Yeah, it was the first. Yeah, but the fact that they kept my gifts until
Until
the
they
end of
saw
the
you.
month. We left Libra season and entered the Scorpio season, and they're like, Scorpio season just stopped, but we still celebrating Libra.
Shouts over Scorpios. My birthday is on Friday, so I'm a Scorpio.
Yeah,
So
yeah. Happy
big up all
birthday
the
when it
Scorpio
comes.
them. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
That's dope.
Scorpios are
But
good
yeah,
people.
talking about your Shane crew, man, the Shane gang, like
Mm-hmm.
ladies show you love. It's like when I saw that video, I was like, oh my God, like
They
you're gonna
do.
have to buy a new suitcase. Like, can you even take that stuff back
No,
home?
I already have it. I already bought another suitcase. I'm telling you. I'm
If y'all didn't
telling
see
you.
it, she had like I'm literally not playing. She
I
had
had to be paying over hundreds and hundreds for overweight. I can't deal.
but I mean that must feel amazing to just know that you have some supporters who really not only will buy a ticket to come to your show, but on top of that, just go spend whatever money or whatever they do just to make sure
Yep,
like when you
listen.
touch down, you're good.
If it's the simplest things, I am still grateful. It's still greatly appreciated. To me, you know, I'm not an ungrateful person. So if somebody even gives me just a pack of eyelashes, then, you know, it still makes my day. Because, you know, that it's a thought that comes that somebody who actually support me, who I don't even know, can
Yeah.
really go out of their way and get a token of appreciation from me.
Yeah.
It's just I can't express my thanks.
And
Honestly.
and again, not to even be like in Jamaica, we would expect that, like to have millions of fans and people who just love you for what you're doing. But now,
And I
in
pray
someone
for
like,
them every night.
and when you touch down in someone like New York and you pull up to a car and there's two chicks in the car singing every tune of yours, just vibing out with you. I saw that. I was like, yo,
Listen,
the Shane Yanks is insane.
they are, and I love it. I like that crazy shit.
but you know what? That's how you know you really make an impact on people, not only musically, but just when you have a cult following like that. That's something to be humble and appreciate. You know, because that's a blessing.
Yeah, when I feel like when your energy is authentic, they can feel it wherever they are.
Yeah.
So I try not to let the fame change me. The same person who I was a couple of years ago is the same person I am, and advance in a good ways. So you just gotta still remember your roots and still remember who you are and never lose that, because trust me, out here is crazy.
This year
Changing for the better, don't yearn for the change.
This year has definitely taught us that, you know, we take a lot of things for granted. You know what I mean? Like 2020 really showed people like, hey, life is not as easy as what you thought, you know?
I said 2019 was my worst year, but God said
Not yet, we're not done.
Hold that. He definitely made an impact for 2020 on me. That double number is that ain't.
Now, why was 2019 not a good year for you?
Because that was the year that I lost my voice and I was diagnosed with having nodules on my vocal cord. So even on my shows when I will be singing, you can't hear anything. It's just straight wind, and that was really crazy for me. You know, it was
scary.
It was really, really scary because I had so many shows lined up and I had to cancel them. And being the fact that, you know, Bless came out and it came out with such a big bang, I couldn't even perform it.
Yeah.
Yes, people. So now hear what Shenseea say. I'm not sure why the interview ended abruptly like that, but you know, at least we get to hear a little bit of what she's saying, right? It seems like she's on a mini tour in the United States right now because I see her in Atlanta. She moved on to New York, and you know she gonna have the BT Awards tonight, even though that more likely gonna be virtual, you know, but. After that, she have a show tomorrow night, a Halloween party. I don't know if it's a full-on performance or a pass-through thing. I don't know. And then I see somebody comment and say she got there Connecticut on the 1st of November. So we know she got there in the United States for a little bit. And then we don't know what else after that, you know what I mean? We don't know if she got give me an album or something. I see she post with there and say album. So might be this is also an opportunity for work on her album while she's overseas or something. Maybe she just did give me a hint. I'm not sure. So, when you get in the comment section and tell me what you think about what Shenseea said. And people, please don't forget to vote for Taste Delight, people. You saw me, I said the link is in the comment section. Please, you know what I mean? I want her to at least come up first, second, or third in the competition. I think she deserves it. She's a wonderful pastry chef. You know what I mean? Look on all the pictures of my show now, and you know what I mean, it's a fellow Jamaican, so we can help her out. All right, so that is the end of today's video, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. On a big up on yourself, right? So have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.